Good morning, students. Welcome to PVP. This is Varsha Tomar and this is your GK class. And in this class, we all are going to learn some GK facts. So students, let's start. Our first question is, how many languages are there in Indian currency notes? I repeat my question, students. How many languages are there in Indian currency notes? Here are the options, students. Option A, 14 languages. Option B, 17 languages. Option C, 15 languages. Option D, 16 languages. So students, the correct answer is option B. That is 17 languages. 17 languages are there in Indian currency note. Students, each currency note has the denomination written in 17 languages. On the front side, it is written in Hindi on top, and the reverse side, it is written in English. The other 15 regional languages are printed on the reverse side of the note. So, you can see in this note, students, the two languages, Hindi and English, are on the front side and the 15 regional languages are on the back side. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 15 regional languages and 2 languages are Hindi and English. So total 17 languages are there on an Indian currency note. Now we move to our next question. Which water body separates Andaman and Nicobar Island? I repeat, which water body separates Andaman and Nicobar Island? Options are option A, 9-degree channel. Option B, 11-degree channel. Option C, 12-degree channel. Option D, 10-degree channel. Students, among these 4 options, the correct answer is option D. That is 10-degree channel. Students, 10-degree channel is the water body that separates Andaman and Nicobar Island. In Bay of Bengal, the 2 sets of islands together form Union Territory of India, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now we move to our next question, that is, Punjab is famous for which textile? I repeat, Punjab is famous for which textile? Options are option A, nylon textile. Option B, silk textile. Option C, woolen textile. Option D, cotton textile. I repeat the students once again. Option A, nylon textile. Option B, silk textile. Option C, woolen textile. Option D, cotton textile. Students, The correct answer for this question is option C. That is woolen textile. Punjab is famous for woolen textile. Students, Punjab is the largest producer of woolen textile due to the easy availability of raw material and extremely cold climate during winters. Now we see our next question, that is, which latitude passes through the middle of India? I repeat, which latitude passes through the middle of India? Options are option A, equator, option B, Arctic Circle, option C, Tropic of Capricorn, option D, Tropic of Cancer. I repeat the options, students. Option A, equator, option B, Arctic Circle, option C, Tropic of Capricorn, option D, Tropic of Cancer. And the correct answer is option D, that is Tropic of Cancer. Students, Tropic of Cancer is 23 degree 26 degree minute 13.2 seconds north of equator, and Tropic of Cancer is a line of the latitude that passes through the middle of India. Now we move to our next question, that is, which major event in Indian history is also known as White Flowing River? I repeat the question, students. Which major event in Indian history is also known as White Flowing River? Options are option A, Partition of India, option B, Dandi March, option C, Operation Belvester, option D, Quit India Movement. I repeat the options, students. Option A, Partition of India, option B, Dandi March, option C, Operation Blue Star, option D, Quit India Movement. So students, and the correct answer is option B, that is Dandi March. Dandi March, also known as Salt Satyagraha, was an act of non-violent civil obedience to produce salt from the seawater led by Mahatma Gandhi ji. It is also called as White Flowing River because all the people involved were wearing white khadi. Hence, it is also known as White Flowing River. Now, our next question is, the chief ore of aluminium is, options are option A, iron, option B, cryolite, Option C, bauxite. Option D, hematite. I repeat the option, students. Option A, iron. Option B, cryolite. Option C, bauxite. Option D, hematite. And the correct answer is option C. That is bauxite. Bauxite is the chief ore of aluminium metal. Students, aluminium is a chemical element with the symbol Al and atomic number 13. Now, our next question is, which of the following animal has highest blood pressure? I repeat, which of the following animal has highest blood pressure? Here are the options, students. Option A, elephant. Option B, giraffe. Option C, lion. Option D, rabbit. Students, among these four options, the correct answer is option B. That is giraffe. Students, giraffe is the animal that has highest blood pressure among all the animals. That is 280 by 180 mm of mercury, which is twice that is found in humans. Now, our next question is, which continent has the least countries? I repeat, which continent has the least countries? Options are option A, Africa. Option B, South America. Option C, Antarctica. Option D, Europe. I repeat, option A, Africa. Option B, South America. Option C, Antarctica. Option D, Europe. Now, students, the correct answer for this question is option C. That is Antarctica. Antarctica continent has the least number of countries. Students, Antarctica is the icy continent at South Pole. It is also known as the frozen continent, and it has no independent countries. Now, we move to our next question, that is, which is the longest national highway in India? I repeat, which is the longest national highway in India? Here are the options, students. Option A, National Highway 44. Option B, National Highway 1. Option C, National Highway 2. Option D, National Highway 10. I repeat the options, students. Option A, National Highway 44. Option B, National Highway 1. Option C, National Highway 2. Option D, National Highway 10. And the students, the correct answer is option A. That is National Highway 44. Students, National Highway 44 is the longest national highway in India, and this highway starts from Srinagar and ends in Kanyakumari. Its total length is about 3,745 kilometers. Now we move to our next question, that is, which of the following country is known as land of the rising sun? I repeat, which of the following country is known as land of the rising sun? Here are the options, students. Option A, Japan. Option B, Australia. Option C, China. Option D, America. I repeat, option A, Japan. Option B, Australia. Option C, China. Option D, America. Now, students, the correct answer is option A. That is Japan. Students, Japan is known as land of the rising sun because Japan lies in the direction where the sun rises. And students, along with this, you should know that in India, Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of the rising sun. Now, next question is, what is the chemical name of common salt that we use in our food? I repeat, what is the chemical name of common salt? Here are the options, students. Option A, sodium chloride. Option B, potassium chloride. Option C, calcium carbonate. Option D, sodium carbonate. Students, common salt is also known as sodium chloride, and as you know that the symbol of sodium is Na and chloride is Cl, so it is also written as NaCl. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride and symbol is NaCl. Our next question is, which part of human body stores glycogen? Students, glycogen is the stored form of glucose in human and animal cell. In case of requirement of instant energy, the glycogen gets converted into glucose back and consumed by our body. So, options are option A, skin. Option B, intestine. Option C, pancreas. Option D, liver. Students, I repeat, option A, skin. Option B, intestine, option C, pancreas, option D, liver. And the correct answer is option D. That is, liver stores glycogen, which is a stored form of glucose in the body, which is consumed at the time of instant energy requirement. So students, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class and learned so many new things. Thank you.